Hi, I'm Barbara. Welcome to Bee's Kitchen and Garden after a long break since we were moving into a new house. New for us, that is. But I have a wonderful, delicious strawberry whipped cream and cookie easy summer dessert for you. So let's get started. This easy, no bake, no cook summer dessert uses 3 ingredients: strawberries, thin wafer cookies with cream inside, and whipped cream or Cool Whip. That's it. So get your ingredients together, and here's how we'll get started. We're going to start with our chocolate wafer cookies. These are the thin ones. You don't have all of that stuffing inside because you don't want to overpower the taste with just the cookie flavor. Start by smashing them. This is fun. Put them in a baggie. We're going to make a cookie bottom layer, and you can use a hammer. I use a meat tenderizer, and smash them. Not too small, just enough because if they stay whole, then it's hard to serve the dessert. Okay, so we have various sizes here, different pieces. Now let's put these in our baking dish. Take the cookie pieces and make 1 layer in the bottom of your dish. This is a 7-inch by 11-inch dish, but you can do this with any size dish depending on the group that you're feeding. It's a great dish to take to potlucks because it looks wonderful and it tastes delicious. So first, a layer of your cookies. Next, we're going to put a layer of whipped cream or Cool Whip on top. Now, I'm using Cool Whip today. Grab the Cool Whip because I need to get this done in a hurry, and I know it needs to sit in the fridge for a while. So this is an easy way to do it. What you do is you spread your Cool Whip. Now the cookies are going to move around a bit, and you don't want to make it too thick because you're going to do this layering twice. 3 layers, cookies, Cool Whip, strawberries, twice. Now you have your dish with a layer of cookie pieces and a whipped topping. Now comes the fun part. I bought a pint of strawberries at our local farmer's market. They're so much sweeter than the ones I get in the grocery store. And they're local and they're fresh, and this is strawberry season. So what you're going to do is first, let's move this here so I can show you all the steps. Take your strawberries and just feather out the greens and slice off the top with the green, put it aside. Then slice your strawberries. Nice slices, not too thick. And as you slice them, you'll end up with this wonderful pile. I do eat a few as we go. But we're going to put the sliced strawberries as the next layer on top of our whipped topping. Okay, whipped topping, you come back. And strawberries, you hold on while I put this here and start placing the strawberries on top. Obviously, always wash your hands when you're cooking or when you're doing food in the kitchen, and just start layering your strawberries. This is obviously the nutritious, healthy part of this dessert. Who can resist strawberry desserts in the summer? Absolutely delicious. Here's how our dessert looks so far. Now, 3 more layers: cookie pieces, topping, and more strawberries. Here is our final dessert. It's gorgeous, and how summery does that look? Now put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, and then it's ready to serve. Oh, look at that. Had a little extra piece of strawberry left over. If you enjoy my videos, please like below and subscribe below. Thanks so much, and enjoy your new summer dessert.